Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in today's YouTube video, we are going to talk about how to find 1099 subcontractors. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for all of the love on my YouTube videos, for all of your comments, for all of your likes, your subscriptions. I really, truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, you guys. So one of the questions that I get asked a lot as a cleaning business coach and mentor is, how do I find 1099 subcontractors? How do I go about finding these people? How do I vet them? What are the requirements that they need? And I am going to go over that in this video. Now, I used to have W-2 employees for about 5 years in my cleaning business because that is how we set things up. And as many of you know, I switched over to full contractors as of November of last year. If you guys want to learn more about why I decided to go from W-2 to full 1099, I will put a link in the description of this video so you guys can go ahead and watch that full YouTube video. Now, believe it or not, finding good subcontractors is actually not that difficult. For me personally, it was more difficult to find good cleaning employees than it has been to find good cleaning subcontractors. And the reason why I say that is because when we are looking to hire employees, we have to go through the entire training process, hoping and praying that this person or new hire that we are bringing on has an eye for detail, enjoys cleaning, and will clean to our standards, right? We had a very large turnover with new employees because, well, for many of reasons, right? Some people wouldn't show up, blah, 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 but that's a whole nother story. But one of the reasons why was because they just weren't good at cleaning. Now, when you're hiring subcontractors, you are technically hiring somebody that already has a business or has been cleaning on their own for X amount of time. So you're not looking to take somebody off of the street that has never cleaned before, and now you're trying to teach them what chemicals to use, in what order to clean, techniques, tricks, and stuff like that. When you are hiring subcontractors, you are eliminating the entire training process. When you hire subcontractors, you cannot train them how to clean. You're not supposed to anyhow. And you technically don't even need to. Yes, of course, you're going to tell them what the job is, right, in terms of the scope of work, but you're not telling them, oh, hey, you have to use Sprayway or Windex on the windows and use paper towel, not a rag. You don't do that kind of stuff. So you're eliminating the entire process of actually having to train somebody, which is great. You are hiring professional cleaners. People that know how to clean, have experience cleaning, have their own clients, have their own equipment, have their own cleaning supplies. So right there, you are saving yourself a ton of time wasted, in my opinion. Now, to get back on track as to how to find subcontractors. Now, what we do is we compile a list of all of the cleaning companies in the areas that we are servicing. For example, if you are cleaning in Manhattan, New York, or Staten Island, New York, you would be searching for cleaning companies in Staten Island, New York, cleaning companies in Manhattan, New York. You don't necessarily want to search the location of where your office is or where you live unless that is your service area. So do keep that in mind. Now, there are a number of different ways in which you can gather this information. You can spend a number of hours on Google doing this manually, going onto people's websites and so forth, or you can purchase a lead list, right, or a list of information from either a data scraping website or a third-party company that does find this information for you. Now, part of that process and how we do this is we have our VA gather that information for us, whether that's manually or through using a platform that we pay for. And we have all that information, but we're also going to their profile and we are looking at their reviews, right? And it doesn't mean that they necessarily have to have a ton of them because they could be a new business. We're just looking to see if they have a website, if they do have any good feedback, maybe how long they have been in business, and we have all that information. Another place besides Google to find subcontractors are Facebook groups. So going into cleaning groups that are on Facebook in the service areas, again, that you are looking to service, and just putting a post out there. Hey, my name is Carol. I own Spotless Cleaning Service. We're looking to expand our reach and partner up with other solo cleaners and cleaning companies. Now, I like to use the word partnership versus subcontracting because at the end of the day, it really is a partnership. This is my business, working with your business to make money together, right? And we have the same common goals. The goals are to make money, provide top tier service, get no complaints, and be able to give and receive from one another, right? I'm going to give you the clients, the work. You're going to give the client quality cleans. And in turn, we are both going to be paid monetarily. So that is, the understanding of partnering with somebody. If you guys are interested in learning how to make multiple six figures within your cleaning business, please be sure to check out my full website where I have a number of online courses, internal forms, residential cleaning calculators, and free resources for you guys. So aside from doing a Google search, data scraping the information, and going into Facebook groups, you could also go into platforms such as Craigslist or even Thumbtack, right? Looking for other small businesses and reaching out to them saying, hey, my name is Carol. I own Spotless Cleaning Service. I want to know if you would be open to partnering up. I want to know if you're open to the opportunity of a partnership. And then if that person answers yes, whether that's via instant message, whether that's, Facebook message, whether you're reaching out via email or telephone, you're inviting them to partner with you, right? A lot of people are going to say yes. You might get a few no's, and that's absolutely fine. So again, we call them. We also send them an email, and I do have an email template for sale for you guys. What I'll do is I will put the link in the description of this video. You guys can purchase the email template. You can use it when you're speaking over the phone as like a script, or you can also use it as an email. So we like to email these cleaning companies because most of the time, if they are a small business, they're out cleaning and they're too busy to answer the phone. We also leave voicemails, and we will send them a text message as well. So again, calling them, if they don't answer, sending them that email, and also sending them an SMS message if their phone number, allows it. Again, just asking them if they want to partner with us. I have the entire spiel of it. I mean, there's more to it, but you guys can find that in the description of this video. And if they say yes, then the next step would be to schedule a video call with them, right? With the owner or the manager or the person in charge. Again, this can be solo cleaners, it could be sister duos, husband and wife, it could be large companies, even larger than yourself, right? That does not matter. The fact of the matter is, you know how to get the clients. They're looking to fill gaps in their schedule, and you both are looking to make money together. So never think that someone is too small or too big for you to subcontract work for. Now, the second step is if they say yes to your email or your voicemail or your text message, you then want to set up a video call. Now, on that video call, we ask them a series of questions. I've actually created a subcontractor intake questionnaire for purchase. If you guys want to check the link out in the description of this video, you guys can also purchase that, and it just has all the questions that we ask them that are very important to know before bringing them on. Now, if they fit the criteria by answering a majority of those questions with the answers that we're looking for, we will then ask them for a copy of their insurance with us as an additional insured. So they will do that, send that over to us. We will have them fill out a W-9 form. And then when we have the work for them and we are ready, we will then send them the information, send them, the job description, address, how long it's going to take, and what it's paying. Also, I just want to mention that on that video call, pay rate is a topic of discussion. Again, if you guys want to download all of the questions that we ask, please check the description of this video, as I will be linking the intake question as well as the email outreach template that you can also use as a script when you call, and you can even shorten that to a text message. I actually believe we have the text message version on there, so you don't have to worry about doing the work. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much how we find these subcontractors, the process of it. Of course, you know, there's a lot that goes on in that conversation. We talk about how we're going to pay them, how much we're going to pay them, what our reclean policy is, when they're going to get paid, what happens if a client has a complaint. We also have them sign non-compete paperwork, a contract as well, just spelling out what is expected of them, what they can't do in regards of like trying to take our clients and so forth, because I know that's a very large concern for you guys. That actually is a really good point. I will also link that in the description of this video. So it's going to be a subcontractor contract, okay? So you guys will have the email template, the questionnaire for the video call, and I will also send you over a blank W-9 form if you guys want to grab that as well. And the fourth piece of paperwork is going to be the contract in between us and the subcontractors. Once you have all this information and things are going great, you have built an awesome relationship. I have not had a bad subcontractor relationship since moving on to this method. We work with amazing small teams. We work with cleaning families, so like husband and wife with the kids. We work with large cleaning companies such as ourselves. We work with larger cleaning companies than ourselves. It's all a matter of filling up one schedule and helping each other out with making money, right? It's a mutually beneficial relationship. And the great thing about working with other businesses or business owners is that they understand that the quality of work has to be A1. They understand what needs to be done, right? They're already trained. They know what they're doing. And we always go with companies or small teams that have the experience, right? Having other processes in place are important. Like, how are you guys going to communicate? What are you going to use, you know, if there's an issue? So having all of those things in place is really important. We go over all of these in detail in my online courses: how to start a full service cleaning business, how to start a residential cleaning business, how to start a commercial cleaning business. So be sure to check out my full website for all of my online courses, as well as my internal form packages. You guys heard me mention, I think, 4 different pieces of paperwork alone just for this scenario. There are so many pieces of paperwork that you're going to need as a cleaning business owner, and we have curated 3 different packages: commercial, residential, and full service for you guys. If you guys go check out the website and click on internal forms, you can actually read through what forms are in each package, and they are downloadable for you to purchase. They are also customizable, so you guys can put your logos in there. You can change the font if you want to. You can edit the checklist. You can edit the contract. So if there's something in there that doesn't fit for your company, you can customize these pieces of paperwork. So you guys, I hope you found this YouTube video educational and informational. If you guys love what I'm doing here, please be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button as I upload new content each and every week. And of course, please be sure to go check out my full website, where I have a number of online courses, downloadable products for a cleaning business owner, one-on-one coaching, group coaching, all different types of things for those that are looking to hit that 6-figure mark.